Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's yours truly, ZO-ESHAAA, and we're here today with a new episode of ZOPICS, episode 5 to be exact. And I felt like getting back to the original reason why I started this segment, but just to answer some of your questions. So I'm going to do that in today's video. So if you're ready for a new episode of ZOPICS, stay tuned because we're about to get started.
Baby, this is what you came for.
Why am I always coughing on the video? They're like, why? Anyway, so I'm a little question basket here. I have some questions. So let's see what we got today. All right. This question is from Anonymous and it reads, hi, my parents are divorced and I have a hard time dealing with it all. Switching from house to house and it has gotten me depressed lately. I want them to get back together so bad, but all they do is fight. I'm on the verge of running away. What should I do? All right. Okay. First things first, don't run away. That's not going to make anything better. That actually might make the situation worse, because then your parents are going to have another reason to fight, because one's going to blame the other one, the other's going to blame the other. So you don't want that for your parents. Hi, my parents are divorced and I have a hard time dealing with it all, switching from house to house. I want them to get back together. Now, in regards to your parents getting back together, if they're fighting all the time and they're fighting so bad, you don't necessarily want your parents to be unhappy. And if they are unhappy, you don't want that in front of you, because later on in life, believe it or not, it's going to affect you, because you may feel that that's normal and end up with picking guys or girls. I'm not sure if you're a boy or girl because it wasn't specified in here, but it does seem like it's a girl. But that might affect you in the future when it comes to choosing either men or women for yourself. So if your parents are fighting a lot lately, maybe the best thing for them is divorce. And it's okay. It's new to you. And with everyone, every single person on earth, when something new comes into their life or a change happens in their life, like a big change, it's something new. So you have to adjust to it and find something that works for you and makes the situation easier on you. Obviously, in the beginning, like I said, it's going to be hard. It's a new situation. You've never been in this situation before, so you got to find things that work out for you. If you don't like the schedule that you're in with switching from house to house, maybe you stay with one parent for the entire school year, and when summertime comes, you go off and you see another parent. Or maybe you spend, I don't know if you live close to where both of your parents are right now, or if they live like within, if your parents live within the same city or somewhere nearby, you can spend 6 months with one parent, 6 months with the other parent. You can go to their house once every month. You know what I mean? Like, there's different things that you can do to make the situation better, right? So there's no reason to be depressed at all. I definitely understand. I grew up in a house where my mom and my dad were not together. My dad lived in Jamaica. My dad lives in Jamaica, a whole other country. The only way I can see him is by plane. So if there's any fears or anything like that, if I want to see my father, I got to conquer that, because he can't travel here. Only I'm willing to travel currently, right? So there's certain things that, you know, you just have to do to make it work. And look at me and my dad. Me and my dad are closer than ever. And distance didn't stop that. So best believe, as long as you maintain a relationship with both of your parents, communication is key with any relationship. Could be any relationship, mother-daughter, father-son, siblings, cousins, aunts, whatever the case may be, friends. Communication is always key. So just communicate wherever you end up going. Like I said, figure out a situation or a schedule that works best for you, so you don't feel so anxious about going from house to house or get all depressed or anything like that. And don't worry about getting your parents back together. Let them figure that out. They're adults. They know what's gonna work best for them. And if they don't end up getting back together, that's cool. Don't think that it has anything to do with you. Adults go through their own issues. You should never feel like it has anything to do with you. Okay? So I hope that, let me just make sure that's all. Yeah, so I hope I think I did answer all of your questions. I hope that situation works out for you. Write back, let me know how that works out for you. I really want to know that. That's really, really sad. I hate when people go through divorce and kids are involved because they always end up feeling that way. But yeah, you guys comment below, let her know she feels like running away because she's tired of going from house to house. And also, what did she say again? She wants her parents to get back together. Let's answer another one. Like, honestly. Alright. God, this is a long one, man. It says, hey girl, hey girl. Okay, hey girl. My name's Shailene. Wait, Shailene? Yeah, Shailene. Hard to pronounce, I know. I thought it was Shailene, but it's Shailene. But I've been having man troubles. Goody. Me and my boyfriend have been dating for 3 years. For a good 6 months, we broke up because he was cheating / texting another woman. Yes! I mean, not yes, but really. But after that, we've been better than ever. Lately, he's been acting the exact same way he did when he was cheating. I've checked his phone and DMs, but nothing. He has been staying out later than usual. And yesterday, he came home at 12 a.m. and smelled like perfume. No, sir, that I don't own. Okay. He's been doing this every Wednesday. I know he's with someone else. What do you think is up? My girl. What do you mean what we think is up? If your man is coming home at 12 a.m. with perfume that you don't own, but really after telling what your man out there do, my girl, you must know your man. You said you've been dating with him for 3 years. And you said he's coming home, which means y'all been living together. So you must know your man by now. And if he's doing the exact same stuff that he was doing 6 months before, hello? Obviously, what happened 6 months ago, I never cut off 6 months ago. You see me? No, sir. No, sir. Listen. You're talking about you checked his phone and his DMs. After you've done checked his phone and DMs the first time. Some of them, yes, them fool, them still do the same things over and over and over again. But obviously, them go get little smarter and learn little new tricks. Like, he's not going to keep certain things in his phone. Like, for you to be like, okay, you're still cheating on me. You're still cheating on me, Ray. Like, obviously, he's gotten smarter now. Like, he's not going to be keeping that shit in his phone or in his DMs. Like, come on. Like, honestly, like, go through the call logs, my girl. You have to call back all of the number them when I save up in the phone. You see me? And them something that you have to do. You have to go on WhatsApp. You have to go on the WhatsApp. And then you have to, yo, you know watch catfish? You know get little skills and tips and tricks. You have to look for all like picture them, search them, see which something them it lead to. When you find them, mate them number, you keep them in your phone because Facebook mix up now, so them link all the phone numbers them to the profile and them come up as suggested friends. Why? We find no people on Facebook. Yo, we are dead, yo. Social media is key. Yo, all you need is a number, a name, a nickname, and you're good to go. Like, you can find birth certificate, you can find baby picture, you can find graduation picture, you can find Facebook page, Twitter page, Instagram. You can find I said that already. You can find YouTube. You can find what heap of things, man, because people don't really change up and switch up and and out. Remember, you see me? So you have to think smart, my girl. But yo, my man can't come home with no next girl perfume man at 12 a.m. especially if your work schedule no match with the time when they come home. You see me? So you must know what you want to do. Either you want to stay and deal with it for the next 6 months, or you confront him, or you build up a here what? Nobody just rush into the accusing of things. You understand? Like I said, build up a profile. Build up a profile. You see me? Then you go up to him and you show him everything. That way, him not have nothing to say because you have proof to back up every last thing will come out of your mouth. So if him say, oh, but baby, I never cheat. On December 22nd, 2015, at such and such time, you text her, say such and such, you text back, say such and such. See me have a picture here for show such and such. I saw you have to go into the things that now you understand in 2016 we are evolving, we are moving, we are getting up there. You understand in the times. So if you're not up to the times, you're down to the power. You understand? So that's the best advice I can give you right now, girl. I don't know what else to say to you, but yeah, that's what I think is up. I think the 6 months ago has not left for the last 6 months. So wanna help her? Comment below what you think. Him come home 12 a.m. with some other perfume which she not own, and she check the phone, no DMs, no nothing on the phone, and yeah, and that's all I'm gonna answer for today, because why? That one is sweet, Miss Otil. Thank you guys so much for writing in. I hope I answered you guys' questions and helped you guys out in any way possible. My viewers, please comment below either whether or not you agree with what I've suggested, or leave your comment below if you feel like I left anything out, or if you have your own things to apply. And thank you guys so much again for watching and supporting. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna start doing some shout outs and stuff, you know what I mean? So if you want a shout out, you can leave your name below. But I know I got some people who always be commenting on my videos and stuff. I'm gonna have to big up some of them. Come and know some big up the Snapchat family all the while. If you're not following me on Snapchat, you should. Everything social media related is listed down below. But I'll highlight some of my YouTubers. Maybe they don't got Snapchats or anything like that, but I'll highlight some of y'all at a later date. Okay, but like I said, thank you guys so much for watching ZOPICS episode 5, and I'll see you next week for ZOPICS episode 6. I'm sorry that this episode is late, but it was a long weekend. I had ish to do. Okay, so yeah, enough with that. Was there anything else that I wanted to say? Let me just double check. Let me just think. Oh yeah, if you guys have any topics, or if you guys have any topics that you guys would like me to discuss on, or any type of like generalized situation, leave them below or send me an email with them. Send it to me on Snapchat, send it to me on Instagram, send it to me on Twitter, send it to me wherever. But yeah, hashtag ZOPICS, just so I know it's for ZOPICS, or just tell me it's for ZOPICS. Cool? All right, so yeah, like I said, no more rambling. I'll see you guys in the next episode, and thanks again so much for watching. I love you guys, and see you guys next week.